obtain this. And having this sign negative, also having this sign negative will make it positive. So we can have C0 over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So proceed on the other values of n. We can come up with an answer of, so we can see again value of C3, which is negative C1, and the sign makes it positive. So we can have C1 over 5 times 4, 3 times 2 times 1. Negative C4, 6 times 4, which equals 2. The values of C4, which is C0 over 4 factorial. Then sine C0 over 6 is 5, 4 times 2 times 2 times 1. And then we can evaluate this in our equation as negative C0 over 2 times 1, or considered as 2 factorial, minus our C1 over 3 factorial plus C0 over 4 factorial, C1 5 factorial, and minus 0 over 6 factorial. And then we're going to evaluate this equation as this, so we can prove that this one is a transcendental function. So after the recursion relation, we can come up with terms like this. And then we can prove that these terms are equals to C0 cosine x plus C1